Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ROG Strix XG27AQV 27-inch WQHD curved gaming LCD. So friend, ASUS launched the ROG Strix XG27AQV, a 27-inch WQHD curved gaming liquid crystal display with fast IPS screen, and the refresh rate is 170Hz and the reaction time is 1 millisecond, and the display synchronization technology is AMD FreeSync Premium compatible, and there is also dynamic shadow boost to improve visibility in low blue light situation, extreme low motion blur to reduce motion blur, low blue light to reduce blue light, flicker free to eliminate screen flicker. And when the key specification are 2900 R curvature, 400 cadmium per meter square brightness, 1000 gem 1 contrast ratio, 16.7 million color display, 178-degree horizontal and vertical viewing angle, HDR10 high dynamic range, and friend DisplayPort 1.2x1, HDMI 2.0x2, earphone jack into 1, and so on other are interfaces. And friend, the stand has a tilt range of -5 to 20 degree, swivel range of -25 to 25 degree, pivot range of 0 to 90 degree, and height range of 0 to 110 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.